Well, we're no stranger to active weather of late as we dealt with a lot of soggy and stormy conditions last week. But today's different, folks. This time around, the threat for severe storms is much higher. Now, some good news on days like today. Over the last couple of hours, especially over D.C., we've noticed some cloud cover rolling in. And when we limit how much sunshine we get, that limits the amount of fuel that those storms can work with as we roll into the afternoon. But as we go a little bit more to the north and west, some blue sky popping back out over Hagerstown. That is not necessarily a good thing. Again, we just have the ingredients lining up out there for these storms to really begin to strengthen once they do fire up here in the next couple of hours. There's that cloud cover I was talking about. This is from a batch of storms that formed off to our south and west earlier on in the morning. So the remnants of those storms providing some of that cloud cover. But there's that clearing that is taking shape out west, and it's back to the west here toward Kaiser and Cumberland, where a couple of storms will likely begin to fire up within the next hour or two. Check out these temperatures, folks. We have the warm temps we need for those storms to really get going. We're already in the middle 80s, but here's the other key factor we're talking about. It is downright muggy out there. You may have noticed it yesterday. It's lingering here today. Dew points up into the low 70s through southern Maryland into D.C. and parts of northern Virginia. And this is the prime location we're talking about for a lot of that severe activity to be going on later on this afternoon and evening. Now, check it out here. Starting around 2 o'clock, we'll begin to see storms fire up back off to the west. And then as we approach the 3 o'clock hour, it looks like we'll see a line of storms start to take shape right along I-81. So back toward Hagerstown, Martinsburg, Winchester, and then right through the Shenandoah Valley there in northern Virginia. You're really going to be feeling the punch from these storms as we get toward 2 to 3 o'clock. Now, this line is then going to slowly push off to the east. It's going to run into likely a little bit of trouble. Again, those storms to the south zapped a little bit of energy from the atmosphere, and that may end up helping us out. But you see this line as it continues to progress eastward. It's going to be arriving in Frederick, toward Leesburg, Fauquier County, 4 to 5 o'clock, and then toward D.C. and I-95. Even though this line looks like it's going to break up, it has the potential to still hold together and hold its strength. So 5, 6 o'clock, we're expecting that line to eventually make it to I-95 into the Beltway here, and that could make for a very, very messy commute out there for folks trying to head home into the early evening. Some scattered storms also still trying to develop down to the south toward Fredericksburg, and then notice how what's left of this line makes it off to the east by 7, 8 o'clock here tonight, and that's when southern Maryland is expected to see a little bit of this activity before we finally start to see things start to wind down, heading beyond into the rest of your night. By midnight, we should be completely in the clear from even just any sort of shower activity out there, folks. So that's generally the timing of all of these storms as we move into the afternoon hours here. Things are really going to start to get active over the next few hours, and it's generally from about 3 o'clock to 8 o'clock tonight when the worst of the weather is expected to cross the DMV. And I mentioned this earlier, mostly here we're talking about a damaging wind threat from these storms. Hail has a good potential to develop in any severe storms as well. And really a spin-up tornado cannot be totally ruled out, as well as some isolated instances of flooding, especially because we've seen a lot of rainfall over the last few days, almost a week now. That is why flooding could also be a problem. We are going to see more storms tomorrow, but the good news here, folks, is that we're not talking severe weather. We'll kick those scattered storms out of here by the middle of the week. It's going to be relatively quiet as we head on toward your Friday.